This is a great occasion. First of all, let me congratulate and say namaste to all the dignitaries participating today's national webinar, including our all-time inspiration, Dr. Mehta ji, by Professor Purushottam Reddy garu, who was instrumental in beginning of CGR by Greens Alliance for Conservation of Eastern Ghats, almost exactly a decade back. On this same auspicious day of 5th June, we started Greens Alliance for Conservation of Eastern Ghats as a pedestal by involving many interested and concerned groups for the protection of Eastern Ghats, with a lot of initiations taken by the Council for Green Revolution. Grace is one amongst them. For remembering that day, exactly 2010, June 5th, we started it in Nallamala, in the heart of Nallamala, Srishailam, the great spiritual center, Srishailam. We started journey, and this 10 years period, what is the theme of the present year? Reimagine, restructure, and restore. They recreate and restore the ecosystem. With by keeping that concept in mind, Grace facilitated many such works to conduct together with the like-minded institutions as well as the individuals. In this 10 years journey, we did a lot of awareness among the generations, like young people in the university level, and the children at the school level, and the intellectuals by involving teaching faculty of the universities and the visiting professors of universities. As far as Eastern Ghats is concerned, which is the less important concept in the minds of the rulers at Delhi level, our earnest request while declaring the Bhubaneswar Declaration, we made a request that there should be a ownership, trusteeship must be constituted by Government of India. And at the same time, we made a request in our declaration that United Nations should recognize Eastern Ghats on par with the Western Ghats as far as environmental biodiversity hotspots are concerned. These all efforts of 10 years mainly focused on the restoration and protection and restoration of the ecosystem only. That's why the subject is perfectly connected with the theme of this year given by the United Nations. I have lot of hope on these sort of webinars where the legal luminaries like MC Mehta is taking part, and people like Professor Purushottam Reddy garu with a lot of academic experience, with having a renowned university like Usmania, political science, and in the new generation, legal fraternity has been inspired by the many recent time professors like Professor Pushpa Kumar ji. My concern, especially this Corona time, it has been exposed that the greediness of man, where it is heading, this world and the concept of the environment. We are neglected all these years. That has been as a lesson taught by Corona in this pandemic period. People are realizing with this, my hope that lies with the younger generation like Pawan and our Yashwant, who are leading and representing the younger generation, that link between the outgoing generation and the new coming generation, especially by taking the legal device as a main instrument to protect the environment and the environment laws by putting everything beneath the carpet of Corona. Recent governments are diluting the existing laws by stringent provisions to protect the environment forest. Recently, I saw on a report that for every 3 seconds, extent of a football ground of forest is destroyed by the man. If that goes for months, years, and decades together, and ultimately where we will land, that will be very dangerous symptoms we are getting with the human destruction what happening. So to prevent such all destruction, first of all, we have to halt this damage and we have to protect the environment. And by the by, we have to restore what the damage so far happened to the environment. By keeping these vital aspects in mind, this sort of webinars where the experienced people and whose name is nothing but synonym for the legal understanding of the younger generations, MC Mehta, people like MC Mehta, has to give direction and the drive for all of us for finding new paths for protection of the environment. At this juncture, I hope that this deliberation of the day will definitely show some pathfinding way for us for designing programs. Last year, we planned to do decadal celebration of CGR, but because of Corona, we postponed it for 1 year. But unfortunately, the pandemic span is continued further, so that's why we are not been able to conduct on-ground event as per the decadal celebration of Grace also. But I positively hope that with the witness of last 1-2 months developments across the globe, by the by, within the India, within our Telugu space, the cases, number of cases is going down, and hope that we will get some sort of relief from this Corona pandemic, and we will definitely have such massive on-ground programs and motivating the younger generation and leading them on the right path for the protection of environment and protection of this planet Earth. Not the future generations. Repeatedly, our experts are telling, think about future, think about future. This dangerous situation came. You need not think much about the future, but present itself going into the havoc situation. So that's why I am positively hoping that a good message will come out of this today's deliberation and will show some path. I'm extending heartful thanks for the organizers for providing me an opportunity to share some of my views with the dignitaries participating in this webinar. Thank you, Ananta.